Hey viewers, I hope everyone is fine. Today I am gonna explain 3 bedrooms house design in 1170 square feet. So viewers, this is basically our floor plan. This is our front side. This is our back side. Our back side and front side, this direction we have 30 feet. This is our right side. This is our left side. Our left side and right side, this direction we have 39 feet. Overall our floor plan is 30 feet by 39 feet. If we talk about square feet, it's around 1170 square feet. So this is basically our main entry. Using this main entry, we will reach here. This is our passage. Here we have this direction 4 feet 7 inches. And our passage, this left side, we can understand here we have our staircase. So this is our staircase. We have this direction 12 feet 1 inch. This direction 8 feet. Overall our staircase measurement is 12 feet 1 inch by 8 feet. After this side we can understand here we have this option we can use as our cabinet purpose. After here this is basically our drawing and dining room. So viewers, you can understand we have this direction 16 feet 9 inch, this direction 16 feet 9 inch. Overall twice direction are same. Basically our drawing and dining room are 16 feet 9 inch by 16 feet 9 inch. Also our drawing and dining room has one window. This right side we have this window. After you can understand this side we have divan door. Divan door basically we are using as our bedroom door. Divan door measurement is 3 feet 4 inch. Using this divan door we will reach here. This is basically our bedroom 1. So here we have this direction 12 feet, this direction 12 feet 4 inch. Overall our bedroom 1 measurement is 12 feet by 12 feet 4 inch. Also our bedroom 1 has 2 windows. This right side we have one window, this side we have another window. After we just get back our drawing and dining room, and we can understand this left side we have another divan door. Using this divan door we will reach here. This is basically our bedroom 2. Here we have this direction 12 feet, this direction 13 feet. Overall our bedroom 2 measurement is 12 feet by 13 feet. Also bedroom 2 has one window. This left side we have this window. After we can understand this side we have D2 door. D2 door basically we are using as our toilet door, our balcony door. D2 door measurement is 2 feet 6 inch. Using this D2 door we will reach here. This is basically attached toilet with our this bedroom 2. So we have this direction 7 feet, this direction 4 feet. Overall our this attached toilet measurement is 4 feet by 7 feet. So you can understand easily our bedroom 2 is 12 feet by 13 feet. Bedroom 2 has one attached toilet. After we just get back our drawing and dining room, and we can understand this side, this left side we have another D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here, and this is basically our common toilet. Here we have this direction 5 feet 9 inch, this direction 8 feet 3 inch. Overall our common toilet measurement is 5 feet 9 inch by 8 feet 3 inch. We just get back our this drawing and dining room. After this D2 door left side we can understand here we have another D2 door. Using this D2 door we will reach here. This is basically our kitchen room. So viewers, you can understand we have this direction 10 feet 7 inch, this direction 8 feet 3 inch. Overall our this kitchen room measurement is 10 feet 7 inch by 8 feet 3 inch. So you can understand this is pretty much standard kitchen room. Also in this kitchen room we have one window, and this is basically our this window. After we just get back again our drawing and dining room, and this left side we can understand here we have another D1 door. So using this D1 door we will reach here. This is basically our bedroom 3. So we have this direction 12 feet, this direction also 12 feet. Overall our bedroom 3 measurement is 12 feet by 12 feet. Also our bedroom 3 has 2 windows. This left side we have one window, this side we have another window. So viewers, if I give you just little overview, just more understanding, first of all you can understand using this main entry will reach here. This is our open, like this is our basically passage, and this passage left side we have our staircase. After here we can use this option, basically our cabinet purpose. After this side we have our drawing and dining room. Here our drawing and dining room are combined, and drawing and dining room, this side we have our bedroom 1, this side we have our bedroom 2. Our bedroom 2 has one attached toilet, and this is our this attached toilet. After this side we have our common toilet, this left side we have our kitchen room, and this side we have our bedroom 3. So yes, what we are getting, this 1170 square feet floor plan. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 staircase, 2 toilets, basically 1 toilet is attached, one is common, 1 drawing and dining room. So viewers, this is basically our simple floor plan, that is 30 feet by 39 feet. Now we will talk about the cost. So while we'll talk about the cost, and cost is definitely variable because it depends your state, your location, and your soil capacity, as usual, which kind of material do you want to use, your demand, so many things depends. So for that, so we'll talk about this cost, and this cost, that reason definitely variables. So if I talk about the cost, here you can understand cost is 7 lakh rupees. So yes, this is basically our cost, and definitely this is variable.